Hello there netizens. I am here together with my team Wapo to give you some information about water pollution. But before anything else, let us know first what is water pollution to be explained by Miss Alegre.
Water pollution is a contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities. Water bodies includes, for example, lakes, rivers, oceans, and groundwaters. Water pollution results when contaminants are introduced into the natural environment. And that's what water pollution all about. Back to you, Miss Eraste.
Okay, water pollution is a broad term that describes any kind of contamination of bodies of water. Water pollution is more likely in places where environmental protection laws are weak or poorly enforced, where infrastructure is lacking, and where there is a real awareness of dangers of allowing harmful substances to enter water bodies such as lakes and rivers. But the question is, what are the causes of this water pollution? Okay, let's hear it from Canada and Arsha.
Water is uniquely vulnerable to pollution. Known as a universal solvent, water is able to dissolve more substances than any other liquid on Earth. It is the reason we have Kool-Aid and Brilliant, blue waterfalls. It's also why water is so easily polluted. Toxic substances from farms, towns, and factories readily dissolve into and mix with it, causing water pollution. The causes of water pollution is the discharge of domestic and industrial effluent waste, leakage from water tanks, marine dumping, radioactive waste, and atmospheric deposition are major causes of water pollution. Heavy metals that dispose of and industrial waste can accumulate in lake and river, proving harmful to humans and animals. These are the reasons or causes rather why water pollution exists. Back to you, Eraste.
Alright, we can say that contamination of bodies of water usually as a result of human activities. Yes, humans are the causes of water pollution, just like throwing different kinds of waste, putting chemicals, leakage from water tanks, and so on. But do you guys know what are the effects of this kind of pollution to every living organisms here on Earth, especially on us humans? Well, let us all be know to be tackled by Brianna.
Paano nakaka-apekto ang pollution sa tubig sa mga tao? Ang mga sakit na dala ng tubig ay kumakalat sa pagkamatay ng mahigit 3 milyong katao sa isang taon. At ang karamihan dito ay mga bata. Infectious diseases can be spread through contaminated water. Magbibigay ako ng pitong pwede natin makuha sakit sa water pollution. Una, pesticides. They can cause allergic skin reactions and inflammation of the digestive system. Pangalawa, nutrients. Imbalance can cause stomach and even death. Pangatlo, arsenic. Arsenic is poisonous in higher amount and can lead to organ failure and bronchitis. Panglima, fluoride. Pwede rin maapektuhan ang ating mga buto at ang ating mga kidneys. Pang-anim, bacteria. Causes several diseases ranging from simple colds to salmonella. Pang-anim, nitrates. This can cause baby syndrome that restrict oxygen in the blood. And then, lead can accumulate in the body and damage the central nervous system. So guys, we should be aware of consequences that might be affect us. Back to you, Eraste.
Yes, we are the cause, but the effect was also in us. We all know that any pollution occur can give us harmful effects, especially on our health. It gives a lot of diseases spread by unsafe water, including cholera, typhoid, and even diarrhea. So, We are now informed on the causes and effects of water pollution. Moving forward, let us know how can we prevent water pollution, to be discussed by Ms. Bernardo.
So, how can we prevent a water pollution? The best way to prevent a large-scale water pollution is to try and reduce its harmful effects. There are numerous small changes that we can make to protect ourselves from a future where water is scarce. While the obvious way to reduce or eliminate water pollution is to stop industrial waste. Doing just that and nothing more would not be enough. Preventive measures such a reduction in plastic consumption, controlling leaks of cars, and using fewer pesticides or efficient disposal of chemicals. Hi guys, we should have discipline as long as we can do this prevention. Then let us. Don't wait for bacteria to spread. Let us all be responsible. Back to you, Erin.
And yes, that is water pollution all about. And we hope that you learned something on us, guys. And again, we are the Team WAPO of Fumes 11 1A-1. And thank you for watching.